Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing this on my phone real quick because I got something in the mail. So I'm not sure if you guys saw one of my shorts I did maybe a month back that I dropped my Chanel wallet, and well, the person didn't turn it in at the store that I dropped it in. They took it. But in the mail, about a week and a half later, I got by priority mail all of the stuff that was in my wallet. It was my Chanel card holder, but even the small pieces of paper that would fly away was in this. And they said, they wrote on it that they found it in a CVS parking lot. Well, I'm assuming that it was the person who took the wallet, because there were such small pieces that they would have flown away with the wind on the day that I lost it. It was just really windy. So that's unfortunate. I wish they returned the wallet as well, but they sent back credit cards and all that stuff. I had to change them out anyway. But yes, so I had to replace it. And I've been going around trying to find my exact card case. And well, to say the least, I can't find it. So what I did find was something similar, very similar. And I had to order it from the Las Vegas store. And so let's do an unboxing. You guys know how much I love unboxings. Okay. I'm really excited. It just arrived today. Okay. See. Oh, it's my receipt and everything. Okay. So I wanted another lambskin one. So they had my same card holder in caviar, but I don't know, lambskin feels obviously so much softer, but it feels more luxurious to me. So this looks exactly like mine, except it comes in black C's, so titanium C's. Getting it off. And I asked the lady if these will scratch off easily, and she said, no, they shouldn't. So it has the black C's. I was gonna get one in the store that was like a pretty pink. It was like a baby pink, but unfortunately the C's were crooked. And so yeah, you hear that my she's coloring, and those are the crayons. But that's pretty, right? I like it. Opening it. Let's see where this is made. My old one was made in France. Oh, this one's made in France too. But they no longer give you a card that has an authenticity card. They now just took that out. They now just put like, this is what comes with it instead of the nice authenticity card. This is what used to come with it. And then the authenticity number is right up here. But I mean, someone else has this one, but I'm still not going to show the number, just, you know, because they don't give that to you anymore with the SLBs, they told me. But oh, this is still pretty. I like it.
Not the flower now.
My daughter wants the flowers. She likes to paint these. Every time we go on Chanel, even when I don't buy anything, she's like, can I have a flower? And they give her like a flower or two and she paints them. Yes, gorgeous, here you go.
I'm gonna collect them.
Okay, sweetie. So yes, pretty. I like the black, it kind of blends in. I did like the gold, but I really, as you guys know before, if you've been following me, my on and off on my channel. I've been on TikTok, by the way. It hasn't been necessarily fashion and beauty and stuff that I normally do. you can visit my TikTok channel if you like, but it's it's different. My stream of thoughts, and I'm just talking. But yes, I like the double black, and not the double C's in the black, and it's just different. Yeah, it's different. This retails though, you guys, for I think it's $700 now. I think it's $700. I think when I bought mine in 2021, it was like $550 or something like that. But mine had the serial number right here in my old one. And in this one, the serial number is in here. And it's like a plastic type of piece. It's not bad. The other one was, you know, kind of engraved up here. But yes, this one is made in France, so that's nice. And it's beautiful. It's so pretty. I know I didn't have to necessarily get another one of the same, but I'm gonna hold on to this one. Isn't it funny how out of all my time at Disney World, every day taking my bag out and all this stuff, going on rides, being around so many people, that it falls out of my stroller when I went off of a sidewalk and it just fell out in front of the store. Yes, but this is beautiful. I really like it. Yeah, so I hope this helps any of you guys who are looking at the titanium and seeing if it's something that you wanted. But I like it. It blends in, but it's still, you know, pretty.
What can I put this on?
We'll have to figure out a place to put it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye. Yay! I missed it. Like, yeah.
It looks the same.
Yes, except it has black C's instead of gold C's. That's the only difference. It's the same, though.